Before I show you this house, I want to tell you about the subdivision because there are lots of great homes all throughout Central Texas. I think the big difference maker though is Subdivision. Shadow Glen subdivision in Manor, Texas. First of all, Manor has grown so much the last couple of years from adding an HEB to a Home Depot. It used to just be a gas station stop on the way out of Austin. And now, 16 miles from Austin, it's its own community. Dive deeper, Shadow Glen is probably the nicest subdivision, especially if you're a family, in all of Central Texas. Why do I say that? Yes, it has a great golf club slash golf course, beautiful 18-hole golf course right in the subdivision. It also has the community pool, but it's not just a community pool. It's like a community pool on steroids. It's a 4-acre water park with a splash pad for the little kids, with multiple slides. You actually have to come experience it to see what I'm talking about. Playgrounds, pickleball courts, tennis courts. The subdivision even has its own elementary school. It's got an amazing fitness center, right? A community gathering center. It's got biking trails. And on top of that, because Manor has grown so much, you don't even have to leave Manor to get everything you need. Like I said, there's an HEB now, which for all y'all who aren't from here, that's our main grocery store. And if you have an HEB, you've arrived. So anyway, let's go take a look at 16825 Edwin Reinhardt Drive here in Shadow Glen. I think you're going to be very impressed with this house, and I'd love to know your thoughts after we get done taking a quick tour. All right, let's go.